Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this right triangle ABC, as you can see in this diagram, such that its hypotenuse AC is 5 power x, and its other two legs are 25 power x and 125 power x respectively. And now our task is to solve this triangle for x value. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this right triangle ABC. And we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is 5 power x, and other two legs are 125 power x and 25 power x. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we are going to write down 125 power x whole square plus 25 power x whole square equal to 5 power x whole square. And now let's recall the power rule of exponents. Over here, if we have x power m and then power n, then this could be written as x power m times n. So therefore we can multiply out these nested exponents. So this could be written as 125 power 2x plus 25 power 2x equals to 5 power 2x. And now let's make an observation. We can see 125 could be written as 5 power 3. Likewise, 25 could be written as 5 power 2. As you can see in this next step, I have replaced this 125 by 5 power 3 and likewise 25 by 5 squared. And now let's recall the power rule of exponents once again. So in this case, we are going to multiply out these two nested exponents and likewise these as well. So therefore, this could be written as 5 power 3 times 2x is going to give us 6x and plus 5 power 4x equals to 5 power 2x. And now I'm going to divide each and every term by 5 power 2x across the board. 5 power 2x, and I'm going to divide this side by 5 power 2x as well. And now let's recall the quotient rule of exponents. So if we have x power m divided by x power n, then this could be written as x power m minus n. So therefore this could be written as 5 power 6x minus 2x plus for this next one, that is going to give us 5 power 4x minus 2x equal to this on the right hand side. This reduces to simply 1. So therefore this could be written as 5 power 4x plus likewise 5 power 2x equals to 1. And now let's focus on this very first term, 5 power 4x. This could be written as 5 power 2x and then whole power 2. As you can see in this next step, I have tweaked this 5 power 4x as 5 power 2x whole power 2. And now in this next step, I am going to move this 1 to the other direction. So therefore, this could be written as 5 power 2x whole square plus 5 power 2x minus 1 equals to 0. And here's our next step. Let's assume that this 5 power 2x is equal to u. Then this 5 power 2x is going to become u as well. So therefore we are going to make a substitution. Let's assume that u equals to 5 power 2x and make sure that u is a positive number greater than 0, then this equation is going to become u square plus u minus 1 equals to 0. And now we can see that this is our quadratic equation, and we are going to solve it by using the quadratic formula. And here's the quadratic formula that we will be using. And now we can see our coefficient for x square is a equal to 1, b equal to 1 as well, and our constant c is negative 1. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this quadratic formula. So u is going to be equal to minus 1 plus or minus, in our case b is 1 whole square minus 4 times a is 1, c is negative 1, all over 2 times 1. And if we simplify everything, our u value turns out to be equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of 5 all over 2. And now we are going to separate these positive and negative signs. So therefore our u value is going to be negative 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and our other u value is going to be negative 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. And now we can see that this u value is a negative number, and we know that u must be greater than 0. So therefore we are going to reject this negative value, and we are going to accept this u equals to negative 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. And now let's focus on this u value. And this could be written as u equal to square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. It doesn't make any difference whatsoever. But then we know from the substitution u equals to 5 power 2x. And if we compare these two equations, we can see the left hand sides are identical. So therefore we are going to equate the right hand sides. So I can write 5 power 2x equal to square root of 5 minus 1 all over 2. And now let's focus on the left hand side. We are going to tweak this left hand side. We could write this one as 5 power x and then a whole power 2. As you can see in this next step, I have tweaked this left hand side as 5 power x and then power 2. And the right hand sides are exactly same. And now I'm going to undo this square on the left hand side. So therefore I'm going to take the square root on the left hand side and the square root on the right hand side as well. So therefore we can see this square and square root undo each other. So we got 5 power x equal to the square root of again square root of 5 minus 1 all over 2. And now let's make an observation. We can see that we got this exponential equation. And now we are going to convert this exponential equation into a logarithmic form. And now let's recall this conversion formula. We are going to convert from exponential equation to the logarithmic equation. So therefore, if we use this conversion formula, we can write this equation as x equal to log with the base 5 of square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2. And now we can see the value of this square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2 is approximately equal to 0.7862. And if we use a scientific calculator, our x value is going to be approximately equal to negative 0.14946. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, our x value turns out to be approximately equal to negative 0.14946. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.